in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update Elementor. Keeping your website builder up to date is essential for maintaining both security and performance. The good news is that updating Elementor is simple, and I'll guide you through the process step by step. Start by accessing your WordPress dashboard. This is the central hub where you manage your entire site, from plugins to pages. To reach it, type your website's address into the browser, followed by /wp-admin, and then log in with your username and password. Once you're inside the dashboard, we're ready to move forward. Next, look to the menu on the left side and find the section labeled Plugins. Hover your cursor over it and a menu will appear. Click on Installed Plugins. This page will show you every plugin currently installed on your website. Now, scroll through the list and find Elementor Website Builder and Elementor Pro. These two plugins power the Elementor experience, so both need to stay updated. If an update is available for either plugin, you'll see a colored notice beneath the plugin's name with a link that says Update Now. This tells you a new version is ready to install. Before clicking anything, it's always smart to back up your website. A quick backup ensures you can restore your site in case anything unexpected happens during the update. Once your backup is ready, simply click the Update Now link under the Elementor Website Builder plugin. You'll see a loading indicator showing the update in progress. When it finishes, the notice will disappear, confirming that the plugin is now updated. Repeat the same step for Elementor Pro if an update is available. After the updates are complete, take a moment to visit a few pages on your site or open Elementor's editor to make sure everything is functioning normally. Keeping Elementor updated not only gives you access to new features, but also ensures optimal performance and security. Thanks for watching, and remember to like and subscribe for more helpful WordPress and Elementor tips.